this website has paid over $7.9 million to the people taking action on this website. So this is a brand new website that I'm going to show you today. If you are tired of 50-cent paid survey, then this is for you, because I'm going to show you today another alternative that you can use to earn more money on this website. And this is a trusted website. I'm going to show you proof to make you see that this website is legitimate. So there are different ways to earn money on this website, and this is what I'm going to be walking you through in today's video. But before we do that, if you haven't, do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get updates. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video tutorial. So as you can see, this website has already paid over $7.9 million to its users worldwide, and it doesn't matter where you come from, you can earn money using this website. And this money you earn, you can redeem it with PayPal, and you can see it here when choosing your reward. Select payment via PayPal and spend your earnings however you like it. That's very easy. You can spend your money on clothes if you like, you can spend your money on gift if you like, or you can even spend it on a good dinner with your loved one out there, or if you like, you can go on a vacation with this. But what I'm going to advise you to do with the money is to invest in other online businesses that has potential to make your earning grows more and more. So this is my advice for you guys. So you can also do surveys on this platform. As you can see, they have a high paying survey from $2 to $10 to also $14, guys. And it doesn't matter where you come from. Once again, you can join this website and earn money by doing this. But this is not the only way that you can use to earn money with this platform. This is just along the side. If you want to earn extra cash on this website, you can also do this. So these are the reviews from people using this website. As you can see, this is already 4 hours ago. This person just write very good and very good and very good and nice. So there are people that leave also 2-star or 3-star for this website, because they think that this website is going to make them millions in a day. This is my warning for you guys. This website is not going to make you rich overnight. You have to invest a little bit of your time in it. It means you need to take action. You need to do what you can use to earn money on this website before you can earn money, okay? And there are different type of reviews here. Like these guys, this day 6 days ago, this person says best way to earn more money online. So the different people are giving 5-star reviews on this website. This is what makes you know that this is a legitimate platform. People are using this website and they are earning money on this website. And you can see you can withdraw your money with PayPal. You can even withdraw it immediately as soon as you earn money on this website. So these are the several ways to earn money on this platform. Now, as we can see, you can get paid to answer survey, which we've already talked about. You can, and this is the second one here, that you can earn money through people that you refer to this website. So you can get $5 for every friend you refer to this website, and they don't need to pay any money. They just need to sign up through your link to this website, and you will get $5 for that. So imagine when you refer 10 people to this website, you get $50, and when you refer 100 people to this website, you get $500, and when you refer 1,000 people to this website, you get $5,000 for doing that. So this is very cool. My advice for you is that you can also make a video like this and put your referral link in the video description. When you get 1,000 people to this website through your YouTube video link, you will earn $5,000 for doing that. Okay, but don't worry, you can go check in my description. I don't leave any link. I'm not going to leave any link there, because I just want to show you this video to help you out there, guys, to earn money online. And there is a harder way to do this. You can write a blog review on this website. The name of this website is called vindelresearch.com. So you can just go to vindel.com and you can sign up and start using this website. It's so easy as that. So what you can do also is that you can write a blog review about this website and also include your referral link to it. And when people click your referral link, you're going to earn more money doing this. This is part of the way to earn extra cash with this website. You can also earn cash for opening your email, so that they will send your email, and this email you just need to open it, and you don't even need to read it, but you can open it and close it back. So just for opening it, you get paid for it. All right, guys, and this is where we're going. Okay, this is exactly where we're going. You can also get paid for watching paid video. This is very, very cool, guys. Okay, if you will ask me, you just need to watch video and you get paid for it. You can do this on your smartphone, you can do it on your computer, you can do it on your laptop, you can do it on your iPad. All you just need to do is to open this video, leave it to run, okay, and you can do other things aside, and you're still going to earn money for it. So it's really, really cool, because you don't need to do any work, you don't need to crack any brain on it. You just need to watch video and you get paid for doing that. Once again, this is my warning for you. You won't get rich by doing this. I show you all these different type of methods that you can use to earn money with this platform, even to earn more money with this platform. So you need to combine all these methods together. This is how you can earn even most out of this website. First, by watching paid video. Second, you can earn money for opening your email. You can earn cash for every emails you open. And after that, this will be the third way to earn money with this platform. You can get paid $5 for every friend you refer. So it means you refer people and you earn $5 per person you refer to this website. And the last one is you can also get paid by online survey. So when you do all this together, you have more potential to earn even more money with this website, guys. I hope you gain much value on this tutorial, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up. I will really, really appreciate it, because it's going to make this video to be shown to other people out there that want to learn how to make money online without no investment. I will really appreciate you for doing that, guys. And if you haven't, also subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified and you'll be the first person to see the method and start using the method and strategy in the new videos to earn money for yourself. So thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.